commercial झाले मरे. Want to do your dance here, no? Don't stop it. I'm ready. I'm in Parra right now, and apart from the entertainment, the coconuts and the Instagrammable place, there's another shop that I want to kind of show you all. And this is right near the Parra junction, so where you'll actually come here. This is a shop, and it's run by Mary. They have got a lot of Portuguese cutlery, very old stuff that can also be like a decor at your place. So if you'll actually take a look, it's just so beautiful. And this is Mary, the owner. So Mary, can you tell me where the shop is located? And
Right
at the entrance of Parra Junction, right?
yeah, at the entrance of the Parra Road.
Yeah. And how many years are you here since?
4 years since COVID.
Since COVID you're here. And what can you tell about your store, and where have you got all these collections from?
Yeah, the Portuguese used to bring this crockery to Goa when
Right.
they were ruling Goa, and so we are still importing from the same sources as they used to bring it from.
Nice,
From
nice,
North,
nice.
South, East, West of Asia.
Okay.
The European stuff hasn't yet started coming since
Right,
COVID.
right.
We are waiting for their shipments. as
Okay,
well.
thanks,
so we can
Mary.
give something different to the
Right, right.
people.
So what are your price ranges started? Like say for example, if I want to go in for
From-
something.
from 75 upwards for fridge magnets.
Okay. So these are for 75
This
rupees,
fridge
and these
magnets.
are okay. So these are the fridge magnets from 75.
Then we have 150 upwards to all.
150 upwards
To everything.
to everything. Okay, guys. So guys, this is really good here. I can see a lot of good stuff that you can keep in your showcase and all that. Right from cutlery to vases and that kind of stuff. So you can definitely visit Mary's shop. I'll put the link in the description below, and do support her, guys. She's doing a great job. So stick around, okay? Alright guys, so I am at one of the stores called Vintage Crockery. This is right in Parra, okay? Guys, again, if you're coming, clicking some nice Instagram pictures and all, do come support the locals. Come and check their vintage stuff out, their collections. They are all unique collections. So I'm going to get you to meet one of the owners of this property. And here she is. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
So tell me something about your humongous collection, and what drive you to start this, and how can someone come and buy stuff, and what is good that in your shop that they can come and
Sure.
Yeah.
So this is actually my mom's business. She started
Nice.
this. She had always passion
Passion.
about porcelain stuff, ceramics, and mostly in antiques.
So cool, so
Yeah.
cool. Because your shop gives so much of good vibes, like
Thanks
right
so
from
much.
here to antique phones, these lampshades, they are very rare, these lanterns
Correct.
and all.
Even the Garafaus we have,
Right,
they
the ones which are
also
on top.
very rare. We have some numbered ones also, which goes
Right.
on a rarer side.
Okay,
Garafaus with numbers.
okay. So, like if they want something like that, how much would it cost them?
It depends. It depends on the color. It depends on the size. So
Right.
they start from around 3,000, go
Mhm.
up till like 45, 50,000
Right.
on the size variant.
Right.
I'm saying.
Okay, okay. And from what, so if someone wants to come and buy something in budget, what would be a starting rate? Like if they need to pick up something small.
Sure. So there are starting prices from 50 over here.
Yeah, can you show me
Yes.
something?
Like these cutleries and
Okay,
all.
okay.
So it depends like whatever you want. There are
Right,
different
right.
qualities in that. So
Right.
there are 3 types of ceramic, there are 2 types of porcelain stuff.
Right.
So the prices vary every time.
Every
and you
time.
will not see the same collection every
Wait,
time.
correct,
here.
correct, correct,
So they
correct.
keep on changing.
Because they look so nice and unique here.
Even the clock, the alarm clock.
Where is the alarm
antique
clock?
one here. It
Oh,
actually works.
oh, this one right here,
Yes.
yeah, it's so cool. Okay, even the cameras and all, you've got some nice antique stuff.
We also do give it on rent.
Y'all do give it on rent.
Yes.
So mostly are all Portuguese cutlery.
Yes, most of them are Portuguese, some like our old vintage,
Yeah.
and half of them are new. So if we have divided our shop into 2 parts, these are ceramic, half of it.
Oh, hey, come, come.
These are ceramic,
okay,
okay, and this side of the shop is porcelain.
nice.
So porcelain mostly it is blue and white concept because Goa is known for blue and white concept.
Exactly. So cool. We love your shop, yeah. So if customers want to come and buy something like this, which they see mostly in Europe when they go to Portugal, Spain and all, they
Correct.
don't need to go because they can come to Goa in Parra. I'll definitely put her address down in the link. But look at the stuff, guys. And what would something out of here be starting from? Like this is all looks very priceless.
Yes, so this is on a bit higher
Right.
budget, but this gives you good investment.
Yes.
So after 10 or 15 years, if you plan of selling the things, okay, so you get good price on that because it turns out to be an antique piece.
Right.
Because they go in rare.
Correct.
They are once manufactured, they stop the discontinue the
Right,
manufacturing.
right.
So these are all rare pieces like those bags,
Correct,
those jar
correct.
basins.
Like I'll just take them around. Now I have a strange feeling that many of this stuff can be used in Airbnbs, in decorating
Correct.
restaurants,
Yes.
getting that Portuguese vibe and all. So they can do a lot of shopping, and I feel like it's really overwhelming, but it's just amazing. Okay, thank you so much, yeah, for showing the shop. So guys, do come to our shop. I'll put the link in the description below, and do like and subscribe. See you soon.